Histology. What are you supposed to see in a lung tissue? What's the landmark? Your alveoli, na? Alveolar spaces. Are you supposed to see anything in between within the alveolar space? Yan. Why? What's the function of the alveoli? It is the area wherein you have gas exchange. Okay? So here, your pleural is located where? So you have your visceral and your parietal pleura. The one that is directly adherent to the lung is your visceral pleura. So as the name implies, this is acute fibrinous pleuritis. So what are you supposed to see? This is a type of acute inflammation. So what are you supposed to see? So this is the area that we are to look for, no? The pleural space. Here, your pleura. Yung parang light pink area, medyo faded. So you would appreciate on higher quantification what type of cells, inflammatory cells, are mostly seen. What are these?
Neutrophil.
Neutrophils, okay? So when you draw, actually there's a drawing. So you will be labeling the inflammatory cells there, and then your pleura and your alveoli. Okay? So, and then your fibrin. How does your fibrin look like? So they would appear as, ito ano yung mga yan? Thread-like na? Or hair-like material or processes na? So you should also label the fibrin here. Na? So the acute inflammatory cells are neutrophils along with the fibrin. Okay? That appears as hair-like or thread-like material. Okay? Then you label this as your pleura and then your alveoli. Okay? So, do you have any questions? So make sure that you know the etiology, how come there is fibrinous pleuritis, no? And we will concentrate on the morphology here. Do you have any questions? So in chapter 3, you will come across with inflammation also, no? So this is a type of your fibrinous inflammation. Okay? Any question? So let's go to number